Welcome back to Primetime News and a very special welcome to those of you joining us online at onespotmedia.com. Now up first this evening, commerce in Portland is set for a major boost this summer thanks to the return of operations at the Blue Lagoon. Our reporter Dwayne Anderson has been following this issue and has more in this TVJ News follow-up.
The wait is finally over. The world-famous Blue Lagoon is reopened after nearly a year, and many of the stakeholders are pleased, especially the tour operators.
People from not Portland, but from Montego Bay, Ocherias, and all the Kingston, we're always looking forward to the reopening of the Blue Lagoon. And that will afford Portland the opportunity to absorb, to get some of these tourism dollars that is available. We have been cut off from that since last year, August. People have lost their livelihood.
For him, the potential earnings from the Blue Lagoon are much needed, given the commercial fallout from the road rehabilitation project in the parish, as well as the recent devastating fire on 3 commercial properties in Port Antonio, which left 300 people without a way to earn. The smiles on the faces of the visitors and residents indicated they too are happy. One of their favorite bathing spots is now available once again.
We are excited that finally we can recapture what's ours. This Blue Lagoon has been historic for a lot of children. Now they're older adults, and so to be able to come back to our heritage and enjoy what's really ours, it's a blessing.
I've been in since the beginning of the year, but when you do that, you get harassed at the gate and everything, because that's what happens when you close a place that should never have been closed. People just start harassing you instead to come, when really, it's natural heritage of the people.
The only problem that we have is the 9 to 5 opening hours, as if it's an office. A lot of people come here early in the morning to meditate and to seek some peace before starting their day, as it is a sacred space. So we're hoping that it will be open for people to come as early as they need to.
But even this reopening has restrictions. The work ongoing in sections of the facility indicate everything is not quite ready for larger groups and the other commercial operations.
The official opening will take place on June 15. So we will encourage persons to come on June 15, where we will have the official reopening. As you can see, there are a lot of construction still happening on the grounds. We're still preparing, but there are a number of things that we have in place to date. The area has been cleaned. We're still doing some cleanup. We have put in place lifeguard stands. We have lifeguards on staff now, and so on. And right now we are finalizing the work on the restroom facilities.
The Jamaica National Heritage Trust says it is now part of a co-management arrangement in place for the facility to ensure the problems of the past do not return, such as poor sanitation practices. One resident in the meantime said when this is all done, the Culture Ministry must step in to ensure they are never caught up in a tug-of-war over the site again.
It is vital that there is a public education campaign, because we as indigenous people of Portland believe that just like the Blue and Jankra Mountains, this space, the Blue Lagoon, needs to be even paired with the Blue and Jankra Mountains and accepted as a World Heritage Site on the UN level through UNESCO.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.